Hi kitty cats. So I'm gonna do my Ipsy Glambagplus. I'm doing it by myself this time. I hope that isn't too disappointing for anyone. I'm thinking about getting another subscription box, but probably not until things are more normal again. Because right now I don't. You know, I think we're all in the same boat. We don't want to spend any extra money because we don't know what's going to be happening in the world right now. So, got my box. And it says, Celebrate You, March 2020. So, I've got this. Just tell me what everything is. And first off is this coffee scrub, coconut body scrub. I have actually gotten this before in a different subscription box in the past. I'm pretty sure it was the same company. And I don't like coffee scrubs. So I'll probably be putting this in a future giveaway. Whenever that's going to be, because I probably won't be doing my April giveaway because once again I'm very unsure about how things are going to go money wise, so I'm having to be very careful. Also, we got this Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner in black. There's the box. I'm not taking this out either because the last thing I need is, I think this ring light is too bright for you to be able to, there we go. The last thing that I need is another black liquid liner. I've got like 5. So I think I'm gonna pass this on to my daughter, or it will go in a giveaway, one or the other. I have been telling them that I don't want any more liners, like black liners. It's not that I don't want a liquid liner or that I don't want an eyeliner. I just don't want a black one. I've got plenty of black ones. Like, don't give a black liner every single month. And I know I'm not the only one. I've heard this complaint actually from other people too. So I don't understand why they don't get the picture. Phase 0 makeup. Matte liquid lipstick in Undercover. Okay. This looks pretty good. Let me swatch it. It looks like a very nice color. Sort of a rosy color. Very pretty. So that can go up there. Next. Oh, I didn't even show you the bag, did I? It's at the bottom, that's why. Bag is, it says Unstoppable. That's cute, but like I wish there was an option to opt out of bags because I really don't need another bag either. So, whatever. I'm really not too thrilled so far. The only thing I like so far has been the lippy. The lippy's nice. And then we've got the Balm Cosmetics Auto Balm Pick. It says Pick PRF. I think picture. Yeah, Pick Perfect. It's a cute little. I'm not crazy about the balm. I've never had very good luck with their eyeshadows. And I already told my daughter that I would be giving her this. So that is for her. She can have that. Oh, I forgot to mention the retail prices of things. The coffee scrub, the retail price would be $21.99. That seems like, I don't know, for that little bag, that doesn't seem like a lot. Like, I don't know. The Balm Cosmetics is $26.50, which that seems like a pretty good price for this. if you like the Balm eyeshadow. Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick is $16. I guess that's kind of normal. I buy a lot of cheap lipstick, like drugstore price lipstick, so 16 is cheaper than some, but a little more expensive than most of the ones I buy. The Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner is 18. And now I'm got a brush. The Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. Oh, this is weird. Look at how it's shaped. That's interesting. I don't really wear concealer that much anymore. So I don't know how often I'll use this. But I do wear it sometimes, like I'm wearing a little bit today. But most of the time I don't wear it anymore unless I'm trying to like conceal something. I don't wear it under my eyes anymore at all. I just have no reason to. When I do wear concealer under my eyes, it just makes it look cakey. So I just stopped. And it doesn't matter what concealer I used. I've tried different techniques that are supposed to keep it from me. I think it's just, you know, I'm over 40 and a lot of it creases too much when I put it there. So we'll see how that goes. I got a second brush. It's nice they came in these little bags, plastic bags, though. I'm gonna keep these for travel. For if I travel and want to put some brushes in some bags. Those are pretty nice, right? This was an extra thing that I bought, so they didn't put it on here, but it is a eyelid brush, you know, for packing on. So it was an extra that I ordered. So I'm pretty happy about that. They seem like nice brushes. They're soft. So we'll see. It's very rare that I get a brush that I really feel is bad. Like, bad, you know? But it does happen. And this is the last thing. This is the thing that I got to choose. You know, because you get to choose one product. This is what I chose. The Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I'm very excited to use this tonight. I don't notice much of a smell. We'll see what I feel about that too. So, I mean, it wasn't the best box I ever got, but it's not a horrible one. Because I really wanted this and, you know, I picked it out. I do like this. I like the brushes that I got. And I like the liquid lipstick. They're just, you know, out of 6 products, 3 things I didn't care for. I didn't care for, you know, the eyeshadow palette because I don't really like the Balm eyeshadows. And I didn't care for the eyeliner because I'm sick of getting eyeliners. I'm really, really sick of it. And the brushes are good, like I said. What was the other? Yeah, so, and the body scrub is something that I don't want to use. But I am happy with the brushes. And the lippy looks very pretty. I might wear it tomorrow. And I'm very excited. Glam Glow products are like so amazing, but I can't afford them. So this is like, wow, to be able to have gotten this. When I saw it, I was like, yeah, I definitely want this. I was like, oh. And also, the other choices were the Balm things, which I got a feeling they were going to send me one anyways. And they did. But they did put this in that I chose, so I'm happy about that. And I've been really getting into my skincare lately. But because I am actually like using my skincare better, I'm starting to run low on like so much stuff that I'm like, oh crap.
crap. Like, what am I gonna do? Luckily, I have this huge thing of moisturizer, so I have St. Ives Timeless Skin Collagen Elastin Moisturizer, which can be used in the morning or the evening. So if I run out of, you know, any of my other moisturizers, because I use a Murad one in the morning, and I've been using this Bliss de-stressing overnight mask, watermelon one. So, but that's running really low, so I'm probably gonna have to start using this St. Ives one more, and that's fine. It's funny because a couple months ago, it seemed like I was overloaded with skincare and I gave some stuff away, and now I'm like, I don't have that much of moisturizers, but it's okay because I'm sure I'll be getting more soon, one way or the other. And I hope that you're all staying safe out there. I know it's really crazy. I have been, you know, in my house, self-quarantined, although per doctor's instructions. But tomorrow, I am going to the hospital to get my infusion treatment. Thanks for watching, and please share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. It helps me out a lot. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, you know. It really does help me. And, you know, be kind to people. Think of others. Thank you. Bye.